Okay, so we're at Beaverdale. We drove from Kelowna to Beaverdale just to avoid some of Beaverdale, just to avoid some of the nasty terrain on the KVR, and we're only riding about 50k to... Where are we going again, Catherine?
Where are we going?
Rock Creek.
Rock Creek.
Rock Creek. So should be a quick ride, relatively quick ride.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Grace.
So, see you in Rock Creek.
Yeah.
Sounds
I
good.
hope you don't get too wet. Don't be struck by lightning. Oh,
Same.
where is the windshield here? Got it.
See ya.
Bye, Grace.
Bye.
We're so lucky to have Grace driving the getaway car. Alrighty. This might bode well for maybe hopefully not too much motorized traffic. Okay. Liquid sunshine.
So what we've ridden of this section so far seems pretty good. I was expecting a lot worse. Hi. And then I speak too soon. Wow, what a change from yesterday. We were dying of heat and today we are drenched to the bone. Okay.
Today we're the dirty duo.
So I don't know whether we've lost the KVR or this is the KVR. If this is the KVR, then we'll be in Rock Creek pretty quickly, I would think. Anyway, we'll just keep going.
So we were in the little community called Roan, and apparently this gentleman who owns the property here has restored this Kettle Valley little train car. And it used to be a cyclist stop. Now it's a day stop but no services, so he moved, but it's still open as a day stop. That's an old initial original train.
Find yourself loading up. Often looking for some sometimes realize there's nowhere to go. Time you return,
pulling into Rock Creek shortly. Be nice to get into a warm shower, get dry, and pick our feet up.
The cabin was actually such a special place to stay. This was the one night of the trip we were actually going to be camping, but when we heard the forecast for rain and thunderstorms that night, we just thought we didn't really want to do that and didn't want to put our lovely mother-in-law through, you know, one night of camping in such bad conditions. So we found some little cabins with the help of our friend Hubert, of course, and it was such a fabulous little location. It was lovely. So the ride actually started out, as soon as we started riding, we got rained on, but then after about an hour or so, it cleared up. So we actually managed to dry off in between. And then the last, I don't know, hour or so of the ride, we got just drenched. We were so soaked through at the end of the day and quite cold because we hadn't put our warm stuff on, not anticipating it was going to be so wet. So we just wanted to have a warm shower.
I stay waiting for you.